Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Todoist to effectively track your medical appointments. It's the complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, you need to create a project specifically for your medical appointments. Once you open Todoist, locate and click on the plus icon on the left-hand side, then select Project. Name this project something like Health or Medical Appointments. This helps us keep all our health-related tasks in one place, making them easy to find and manage. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Under your new project, hit the plus icon again, but this time select Task. Write down your upcoming medical appointment with as much detail as possible, such as the doctor's name, location, and purpose of the visit. The reason we do this is to ensure we have all the necessary information at our fingertips, so we're fully prepared for each appointment. Next up, let's set a due date and time for each task. On the right of the task window, you'll find the Schedule feature. Click on this and select the exact date and time of your medical appointment. This is crucial because Todoist will send you reminders, ensuring you never miss an appointment. Once you've scheduled your task, don't forget to prioritize it. On the left of the Schedule feature, you'll find the Priority button. Here you can choose between 4 levels of priority. Assigning a priority level helps us distinguish urgent or important appointments from regular checkups. The final step is to add labels and comments. Look for the Label and Comment buttons at the bottom of the task window. Labels can be used to categorize appointments, such as cardiologist or dentist, while comments can be used to jot down any additional details or instructions. Let me explain why this matters. Using labels and comments helps us keep our tasks organized and our minds clutter-free. All right, we're nearing the end. Let's take a quick look at what we've achieved. We've created a dedicated project for our medical appointments, added tasks with all necessary details, scheduled and prioritized them, and finally, added labels and comments to keep everything organized. Todoist is an amazing tool to help you manage your medical appointments and maintain your health. And that's it for today. You now know how to use Todoist to track your medical appointments. Thank you for joining us on the channel, and remember, your health matters, so keep those appointments in check. Goodbye for now.